Yeah, it's crazy hot at skate park. I got here later than I normally would have wanted to. It's just too much now. There's no shade. Uh, got a little warm up. A few slappy crooks. Just cruising around. Uh, but yeah, I brought my trunks. So I'm gonna go to the lake, Goose Poop Lagoon. I'll show you guys I wasn't playing when I get there. That's about it. Yeah, yo, I just got back to the beach. I forgot my towel again. I did. I also did the second time I came here yesterday. Um, but I'll manage. Resourcefulness is your greatest resource. So you work with what you got. Um, yeah, I jokingly refer to this place as Goose Poop Lagoon, but there is a reason for it, and I'll take you out there and show you here in a minute. Uh, yeah. Yeah, some of these are pretty big. I'm a size 11 and a half. I told my mom it was ankle deep on the sand. uh, but yeah, it was starting to get in my head about the water quality, so she checked and it's been tested recently and passed. I was starting to wonder why I was the only one I was ever seeing going in the water. But yeah, that's about it.